start with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. How are you, dear students? Hope you are fine and doing well. My dear, today we are going to learn multiplication. This is very important topic, multiplication. My dear, before starting lesson, I want to ask, because I know some students, they are not learning the lectures, they are not watching regularly. My dear, I request all of you, please watch the lectures, because the things for exam are coming from the video lectures. So if you will watch the video lectures regularly, you will be able to solve the questions. So don't think these are the simple topics. So even these are the basic, but you should at least revise. If you will not revise, you will not be able to solve the questions. So please, I request again, please watch the videos again and again, because we are working for you and without any cost, freely. So please, you can at least watch the videos. Okay, my dear, so let's try to start our topic, multiplication. My dear, multiplication, we will try to learn one digit multiplication first of all. One digit multiplication. So in one digit multiplication, we have the multiplication tables. In one digit multiplication, we have multiplication tables. The most important topic, and the tables from 1 to 10. If you learn the tables from 1 to 10, you will be able to solve 80 to 90% questions of multiplication table, multiplications. So there are different tricks, techniques for multiplication table, but I recommend you, the best thing is memory. If you can memorize all the tables 1 to 10, it is not difficult, just it need a little bit practice. If, my dear, you can learn, it will be much better for you. So I request all of you, please try to memorize tables from 1 to 10. So let's start from table 2. 2 multiply 1 equal what? 2 multiply 1 equal what? So my dear, multiply mean also time. 2 time 1, it means 2 is only one time. So for the lower grades, like class 1 or KG students, they should know 2 time 1, it means 2 is only one time. Any material like balls, there are 2 balls, only one time. So 2 time 1 is only 2, only 2. And 2 time 2, 2 time 2, or 2 multiply 2, same. It means 2 times 2, it means 2 is 2 times. So 2 plus 2, or 2 plus 2. Any material or any object like stars, we have 2 times. So total 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 2 equal 4. This is multiplication by using addition. So because we already learned addition, so we can solve these questions. So the another one example, one digit number we are learning, my dear. Multiplication of one digit number. So let's see the next example. 3 multiply 4. 3 times 4, it means 3 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. If you want to draw the lines, you can draw 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, equal what? That will be our answer. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So the lower grade students, they can add the lines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 3 times 4 equal 12. Clear, my dear? So this was the multiplication of one digit number. So just I gave you the trick without the table, who someone who didn't learn, so he can solve the questions like that. So the next thing, my dear, as I told you, the learning tables. Memorize the tables, like table 2, multiplication of table 2. 2 times 1 equal what? 2 times 2 equal what? 2 times 3 equal what? 2 times 4 equal what? 2 times 5 equal what? So 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. So my dear, these are the this is table 2 up to 5. So this one you can learn or you can memorize. 2 multiply 1, 2. 2 times or 2 times 1 equal to 2 multiply 2 or 2 times 2. Same, there is no difference. So 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3 are 6. 2 times 4 are 8. 2 times 5 are 10. So like that you can learn the tables up to 10. This is very important. So if you know the tables, you can solve all type of multiplication questions. Even not only multiplication, you can solve the division. Division without multiplication you cannot solve, or without multiplication tables. If you don't know multiplication table, you cannot solve division questions. So multiplication is like the backbone for the basic learner, my dear. Understand? So all tables like that. Great. Table 9, that is very nice trick I want to show you. Let's see. So my dear, table 9, and the easiest, because it is the biggest table, so there is a very nice trick. You can learn the table 9 by using this trick. So 9 times 1, 9 times 1, 1 multiply with any number, it doesn't change the value of them, it is same. 6 times 1 equals 6, 3 times 1 equals 3, 8 times 1 equals 8. So 9 times 1 equal 0 9. I will write now 0 9. It is just I wrote 0 because I want to teach you a trick. So I wrote here, and I can write even only 9. So my dear, now if you will see, this is a unit and this is tens. From the tens we are going to increase, and from the ones we are going to decrease every time one digit. So 0, and from 9 we will reduce or we will decrease 1, we will make less 1, that will be 8, and here we will add 1, it will be 18. Clear? And again we will add 1 here and decrease 1 here, add 1 here, decrease 1 here, add 1 here and reduce 1 from the ones number. So here 4, and we will make it 5, and here it will become 4, and the fifth it will become 6, and it will become 3, and this will become 7 and 3 will become 2, and it become 8, and 2 will become 1. So 8 will become 9, and 1 will become 0. So my dear, this was the table 9. Now we are going to read. 9 times 1 equal 9, 9 times 2 equal 18, 9 times 3 equal 27, 9 times 4 equal 36, 9 times 5 equal 45, so on. So you can complete like that. Clear, my dear? Hope you understand this thing. So this was the trick only for grade table 9. So now we are going to solve some questions of multiplication by using 2-digit number with 1-digit number, multiplication of 3-digit number with 2-digit number, multiplication of 4-digit number with 4-digit number, or 4-digit number with 3-digit number. So this we are going to do now. But before solving this step which I am going to teach you now, such type of questions you should be able to solve without any calculator. It is only possible way if you can memorize. So the best thing, memorize the tables. Clear, my dear? Then you will be able to solve such type of questions which we are going to solve now. My dear, multiplication table we finished, right? So now multiplying 1-digit number with 2-digit numbers, like 35 multiply 2. I wrote the simple questions just to make you understand. So you can multiply directly like that, or you can write it in the columns as I wrote addition and subtraction. We did, you know already. So let me tell you, same, the number will multiply with unit first, then it will multiply with tens. 2 times 5 equal 10. So we will not write 10, we will write 0, and the next one we will add here. So 2 times 3, 6, plus 1, 7. So in column way it will become like that. We will start from the right side. This the first unit will multiply above numbers with the unit, then 10, 100, 1000, so on. So 2 times 5, 10. We will not write here 10, we will write only 0. 1 we will add in the next column. So 2 multiply 3 equal 6, plus 1, 7, that is equal 70. So 35 multiply 2 equal 70. Clear, my dear? So let's see the next question with the 3-digit number multiplying with 2-digit number. 469 multiply 73. So we will write, as I told you, in the column ways. So 469 multiply 73. So first the unit number, unit digit will multiply with the above all numbers one by one. Start from the unit. So 3 multiply 9. So how can you write if you know the tables? So my dear, that's why I told you tables are very important. That's why I'm saying you again and again, please learn the tables. So 3 multiply 9 equal 27. So we will write here 7, and 2 we will add in the next column. Clear? So 3 multiply 6 equal 18, plus 2, 20. We will write here 0, and 2 we will add in the next column. Clear? So 3 multiply 4 equal 12. 3 multiply 4 equal 12. So we will add 1. 12 plus 1, 13. Clear? So now this is the thing which is very important. Please concentrate. 3 mean unit digit we have multiplied. So if the unit digit is finished, so in the next row we will write at the place of unit 0, at the place of unit we will write 0 as I wrote here, because this unit digit we have completed, we have multiplied. So now we will start from tens, because tens digit is going to multiply with the numbers. So 7 multiply 9, 63, 3 here, and 6 will be add in the next column. So 7 multiply 9 equals 63, 3 here, and 6 we will add in the next one. So 7 multiply 6, 7 multiply 6, or 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 6 equal 42 plus 6, 42 plus 6 equal 48. So we will write here what? 8. Clear? And 4 is we are going to add in the next column. So now 7 multiply 4, 7 multiply 4 equal 28. So 28 plus 4 equal 32. The last digit after multiplication of with the last number or last digit, we will write the full number. So my dear, this is the thing I want to we wrote here. Now we will add both rows. After multiplication we will add the both rows. So 7 plus 0 equal 7, 0 plus 3 equal 3, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 equal 11. 1 here and 1 we will add in the next column. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, and 3 is same. This is our answer, 34,137. This is our answer. My dear, one mistake the students they make, they don't put here 0 after completing the unit digit or the ones digit. They don't put here, they start again from 3, because we are going to multiply with tens number or tens digit. So we will start writing answer from the tens place, not from the unit. Clear? The second thing the student which they make mistake, this is when they are multiplying the 7 multiply 9, they will write here, this is the first thing they write here. If they will start from here, so sometimes students don't write, for example 8 they will write under the 1, they forgot this one. Sometimes they wrote 8 here middle and 2 under the 3 and 3 under the 1, so it is also wrong. So all digit should be under the digit with the same sequence, meaning unit, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. There should be a sequence. According to that pattern we are going to write the numbers. Yes my dear, now we will try to multiply 3-digit number with 4-digit number. So let's see the number question. 4057 multiply 678. I wrote all big numbers. So my dear, let's see, we will write in the column method, in column ways. 4057 multiply, we will look, I'm not going to start 6 from 4, from the 100 place. Where is it? From 678. So don't start from 4, you can reach up to 10s, you will not reach here. So step by step, and the ones number should be under the ones, tens number should be under the tens, 100 number should be under the 100. We don't have 1000, so we will not write anything under the place of 1000, that is 4. Under the 4 we will not write anything. So now we will multiply, we will start from the unit number. So 8 multiply 7, 8 multiply 7, we will write the answer under the unit place, because unit multiplying with unit at the place of unit. Unit multiply tens at the place of tens. Unit multiply 100 at the place of 100. So multiplying with the number at the same place, we are going to write the answer. Okay, my dear. So now 8 multiply 7 equal what? 8 multiply 7. If you know the tables, you can tell me the answer immediately. So that's why tables are very important. So 8 multiply 7, 56. So 6 we will write here and 5 I will write on the next number. So 8 multiply 5. 8 multiply 5 equal 40. 8 multiply 5 equal 40 plus 5, 45. So 5 here and 4 we will write in the next column. So 8 multiply 0 equal 0 plus 4, 4. 8 multiply 4 equal 32. 2 under the thousand digit and 3 is extra. Okay, my dear. So now ones digit we have completed. We will start from the tens. So 7 multiply 7. 7 multiply 7 equal what? 49. So I will not write 9 here. I will start from the tens. So 9 here and 4 will be the next number here. On the next column, I mean. So at the unit place, there is nothing. You can write 0 or you can put here cross, anything, no problem. Okay. So 7 multiply 5, 35 plus 4. Sorry, I will write this not 4 here. It will be here. 7 multiply 5 equal 35 plus 4, 39. So 9 will be here and 3 will be here. So 7 multiply 0, 0 plus 3. 7 multiply 4. 7 multiply 4 equal 28. So 8 here, 2 here. So tens digit also completed. Now we are going to multiply with hundreds digit. So if we are going to multiply with hundreds digit, we will start from the 100 place. So 6 multiply 7. 6 multiplies. So now also understand hundreds digit will multiply with the all digits of the above numbers. We will not start 100 with 100 then 100. No, with all digits it will multiply. So 6 multiply 7, 42. We will write where? Here, 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 or where? We will write at the place of 100. Unit 10, 100. Unit 10, 100. So 6 multiply 7 equal 42. So 2 at the place of 100. 4 will be at the next column. So here, as I told you, you can put cross or you can put here 0, anything. 6 multiply 5, 35. 30. 6 multiply 5 equal 30. 30 plus 4, 30 plus 4, 34. 4 here and 3 at the next number. So 6 multiply 0, 6 plus 3, 3. Clear? Look, I am writing the number under the same column. There is no misplaced order. With the same sequence I am going and I am solving. So please don't destroy the sequence. Should be right under the numbers, so you will not get confused. So now 6 times 4, 24. 4 here and 2 will be here. Clear, my dear? So now you can add. Understand, my dear? Hope you understand the multiplication. If you understand multiplication, so now we are going to add. 6 is 6 because 6 plus 0, 0, 6. 5 plus 9, 14. 5 plus 9 equal 14. So my dear, we will write here 4 and 1 we will add in the next column. 1 we will add in the next column. So 4 plus 1 5, it is same addition as we did before. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 9 14, 14 plus 2 16. So 6 here, 1 in the next column. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 0 here, and 1 we will add in the next column. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 3 12 plus 3 15. So I will write 5 here and 1 in the next column. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, and 2 we will write same. So what is the answer is 2,750,000. 2,750,646. 646. If you don't know how to read, so my dear, you can do as a place value we learned, start from unit, then you will be able to know from where or from which place we are going to start from. We are going to start from 1,000, 10,000, million, or what. So it will be unit, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and million. So 2,750,646. This is our answer. Clear, my dear? Hope you understand. So my dear, at the end also I am going to request again, please memorize multiplication table. If you know the multiplication tables, these all type of questions are piece of cake for you. This is nothing, just you need to know the multiplication table. Okay, my dear? So for multiplying, these are the only tricks. So the way, as I told you, this is the most common way. This way, I mean column ways people are using, and this is the most common way. So this is our answer. So my dear, without wasting time, I want to teach you decimal place, multiplying with the decimal numbers. For example, this question is 405.7 multiply 6.78. So two different are multiplied. Now here, my dear, when we are going to multiply, we will not put decimal under the decimal. No, we will put there and the number according to the same place as I put. We will not put under the decimal as we learned in addition or subtraction. So now when you will multiply, you will forget there is decimal. Just you will multiply as we multiplied. After multiplying, so just count the decimal in both numbers. How many numbers are at the right side? How many digits? So here in the first number there is only one digit. In second there are two digits right side of the decimal. So total all 3. So we will not do anything with decimal. Just go to the answer and start from the right side. Count 3 digit. 1, 2, 3 and put the point. 1, 2, 3 and put the point. This is our answer. This is our answer for decimal. Again I want to revise. My dear, this is our question. 405.7 multiply 6.78. So while we are multiplying, we will not write decimal under the decimal in multiplication. Decimal under the decimal in addition and subtraction only. Clear? So in the decimal right side, the digit we are going to count, and the number of the digits we will count in the answer, and we will put the decimal. So multiplication is same as I taught you, as we multiplied this in this question. So start from the unit and multiply 7. Forgot here we have decimal. Forgot. Clear, my dear? Another way, I wrote here decimal. You cannot write without decimal. Write the number and multiply. After multiplying, count the digits. How many digits we have at the right side of the decimal? So there is one digit and we have two digits here. So in the final answer, from the right side we will count the number of digits and we will put point. So there are three digits. So 1, 2, 3. I put the point 2750.647. This is our answer. Clear, my dear? Hope you understand and hope you will learn multiplication. Multiplication you need practice, my dear. Please make practice again and again. Solve, try to solve from decimal type of questions. Even you can share with me. We tried this question and how about this, and I will try my best to help you. So see you next time. Take care. Goodbye.